Welcome to FoolyFun. Come on, let's play. Today we are going to build a helicopter. Mommy thought for 1 second that it was an airplane. But today we are going to build a wood helicopter, not a real one. A real one is going to take a long time for one kid to build. It'll take 1 million kids to take 1 second to build that. Cat. I'm cutting through the words. Oh. Peaceful on my lap here somewhere. Guys, what do we need this and this for? What's this?
Glue.
Oh. Okay, guys, so I found a way to build it. You just need another big piece like this. Or I can stack them. Make them proper. I'll line the circle things up like the round. No, this is not the same piece, but it looks like it. Another wood thing and half a circle. Alright, film this. See how tiny it is. It's about 1 inch. 1 inch or more or less. Like half of 1 inch or something? I don't know.
Step 1. Glue propeller A and propeller B together as shown.
What's a propeller? Is this the propeller?
Slide the eyelet through the hole of the eyelet holder and screw it into the propeller A.
Oh, yeah, I forgot this piece. I didn't really see those two when I needed 2. I need one of this. Trick. One of this. 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 They're different. I got 4. I got 1 tiny one. And I need this rectangle. I need this long piece. And the last piece, I think, is hard to think about. Oh, it's this one. All the pieces we need. Alright, now glue this little tiny thing. Yeah, that's right. We need 2 of these. 2 big of these.
And then you need 4 of the dowels.
That's all. Like dowels that Daddy uses to put together, but these are thin.
Yes, but you need to put a little glue in there so you can glue it together. So it'll stay together.
This is going to be for looks, and Abigail won't even realize that we bought this.
Just a little bit, not a lot.
I didn't put
Just 1 drop. Yeah. In each hole. You have 4 holes there.
Oh, yeah. Oh man. Three now. Smaller than a drop in this one. Those are really smaller than a drop. It was the same size drop. Or it's just smaller.
What does the picture show you next? You have to put something on top of it.
Oh, it's this. Yeah. Of course. Yeah.
Okay, well you also need to put glue on that. So why don't you put glue on top so you don't put too much? Put 1 drop of glue on top of each post.
Just a tiny drop. Can you even see it, guys?
Just put a little bit more where you can see it. There. Perfect. Yep.
This one wasn't stuck in all the way.
It has to dry, so.
Woo! Glue. It's dumber. We
And 1 more.
We need to use a lot of glue, so I hope we have enough.
Yes.
Oh, this is a mess. A big
Okay,
mess.
1 and 1.
Ooh.
Yeah, it's starting to look like an airplane.
A helicopter.
A helicopter.
You keep forgetting it's a helicopter.
Yeah. Oh, Kitty likes your backdrop of cats back there.
Background. This is 2 inches, 3, 4.
Now what is the next step? It says to put one of those L pieces.
It's this kind of L piece because this is the real L. Flip the L over and put this tiny piece here. I only need a tiny drop of it. If it's white, that means there's glue. Oh, I don't think there's enough glue. Oh, this is starting to look like a helicopter piece.
Okay, so far you have the base put together.
And I
you
have the
body.
L.
And now you have the L with the little round.
No one to see.
And then a propeller goes on top of it.
Why isn't there 2 propellers?
I don't know.
Or 3 like it's supposed to be?
We'll have to see when we're finished building.
This is starting to look like a propeller.
It's looking good.
This is a kind of tricky part. Which is... Oh, man. Yeah, that's a tricky part.
Wow. Yep, it's looking like a propeller already.
I guess why we gotta put this in here.
And if you're ever confused, you should look at the picture as well. And that will help you.
Oh, this is what it's talking about.
Oh, it wants you to put it there so you can hang it from the wall.
Mm-hmm.
You can hang it from the ceiling like a real plane.
Wow. I'm gonna tell them the L word that starts with the L. Ladder.
Ladder.
Like the L is going up on a ladder.
Ah. It's very nice. Okay.
It's going up on a step that's a ladder.
Let's read the next steps. Glue the elevator and rudder onto the tail as shown. Interesting. And glue them together.
Is this how you do it? Look. Or the other way.
You have to look at the instructions and see.
No. This is not the piece. This is the piece. Which way does it? No, it should go like this where the ramp is. And you should be like... Ooh, this is starting to look like a key. This is a key lock. It's a door lock.
Mm-hmm.
Then you take this tiny peg and you put it on the back of here. You don't really need to glue it.
You remember to glue it because it don't stick together unless it's glued. And then we have to let it dry.
The glue is slippery. Alright, Mommy, the last step is twisting the thing to see if it's perfect. We twist it this way. That's the last step.
Okay.
Or whatever way you want. And then you put it on the back of here, which you see this hole here.
Uh-huh.
That's why you see the hole.
Yep. Anytime you have a new connection, you have to add more glue.
This is like dipping the glue on something. I stuck the tiny peg all the way in there so it would look like the back of the helicopter.
Is this how it wants you to turn it?
Yeah.
Like
take the other
the
L
end?
piece. The other
It's
L.
looking like a helicopter.
Next step after this one is to put this in here. I already twisted a bit. The glue will dry it up and then you won't be able to twist it on the last step. What kind of piece is that? Why is there a square here?
See how many pieces you have left. You have the propeller and you have the L piece.
And then this piece that I already built a lot.
We need to put the rudder on. So where's the rudder?
The rudder, it should go like this.
Okay, well go ahead and glue it on where it says to put it.
What? Why does the glue keep falling? Why? Square. I'm not gonna glue a square. I was just kidding. No. You put it this way.
Okay. And then what do you do?
No. You should actually glue it on this piece.
Just put a little bit. That's good.
This looks like a front of a train. Yep.
Looks good.
Except it tips over a bit. So let's put it like this. Yeah, it still tips over.
Yep, either way, it's going to be glued.
Do you put it like
Okay.
this?
Let's look at the picture and see what it says. Which way is the L facing? And then you'll know.
Step 3. So you're supposed to glue it like this.
Wow.
Yeah, I'm right.
Is the L supposed to be
Yeah, it's supposed to be that
sticking
way.
up? Is the L supposed to be sticking up?
Yeah, like
Yep.
a real L. But
Okay.
it's a different
So
way.
then the last piece that you have is this hook.
And I'm on step 3.
Step 3, glue the eyelet holder into the roof as shown. Let dry thoroughly.
Oh, get off! Get it! She's gonna get herself. I'm kidding. The scissors are pointed to her paw over there. No. Shh. Oh, she's gonna get cut. Really, she's sitting on the cutters.
Kitty, safety first.
Yeah, Kitty, you don't sit on the cut. The scissors.
String the rubber band through the holes of the cab and the roof. Turn the propeller B several times, then let go to make the propeller spin. It actually moves. But we're not doing that yet because we have to make it thoroughly dry first, and then you can play with your creation.
Oh, how?
Propeller on, so you have to finish that part. So make sure it's glued really well.
Glued it down there.
Ah, very good. You're all done then.
Yep, a real helicopter.
You did a good job.
And then last but not least, we gotta let it.
Yeah,
thoroughly
we'll let it dry.
Stick it through here,
Uh-huh.
and then stretch it all the way here.
Yeah,
Yeah.
and then we'll let it dry.
I accidentally put some glue here, but it's fine, it'll dry. I had the rudder on backwards, and I turned it around. Now I gotta wait for it to dry, and this rubber band is tied on my hand. It's squeezing my hand all together. Get off! Snap! 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 Okay guys, I'll be back with my untied hand about to be. It's already untied! Guys, I'll tell you where it will pull this, the rubber band when we put it on, and it's not glued. And this will go. This will stay here because the rubber band's gonna pull it here. And this will just fall off because the rubber band will push it back really easy because that rubber band is really strong. And it is stretchy. Laser beam. Bam, bam. Laser. I'll see you in 3 hours. Less than 3 because we already waited a few minutes. Look at it go. All I have to do is wind it up, give it a little push, and then it spins by itself. This was an awesome toy, and I put it together all by myself, and it only cost $1 at Dollar Tree.
You love it?
Yeah! Can we build another one? We got more! If you make one, send me a picture and tag me on Instagram at FoolyLiving. Can I get 100 thumbs ups on this video and then 1,000? I worked really hard on this helicopter. I'd really love it if you subscribe and watch my other videos. Bye. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. Subscribe for more videos. I hope to play with you next time. Click on my other videos to watch them. Come back for more adventures.